Why is it every time I record something's wrong with my eyeball? Oh my god.
Yeah, my bad for tripping on you. Yeah, my bad for tripping on you.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's Style. Let's go back to my channel. Today's video is actually going to be very different. Also, forgive my notes. I literally just broke this like 3 minutes ago prior to me starting the camera. But so like I said, this is gonna be really different. You know, typically I show you guys like makeup or hauls and stuff and try-ons. Well, oh, the music just stopped and I just got really insecure. Like I said, this video is very different from my usual content because, you know, typically I do like fashion oriented / beauty more oriented things. It's a little background context. So as you guys know, well, you probably don't know, I also should probably update you guys on my life just a tad while we're here, while I have you. You know, I go to UNCG in Greensboro, so which means I'm directly down the street from one of the most notable HBCUs. Granted, it's not the notable one, but it's one of them. A&T. It's literally down the road. My best friend goes there, and I'm literally, if I'm not here working on stuff, I'm at her campus. So we just had our homecoming this past week, but hers for A&T, their homecoming is coming up, which is like a big thing here. Like, everyone knows about GHO because it's not just A&T's homecoming, okay? It's Greensboro. It's all of Greensboro and that adjacent and surrounding areas. Like, everyone comes together for this. Yeah, the homecoming's coming up, and if you're extra like me or just a fashion influencer enthusiast, that means it's time for you to pop out. So I have a few things up my sleeve for myself and my two best friends, because I'm helping, because in case you guys didn't know, it's kind of weird to say it out loud, but I'm technically a stylist. Like, I'm going to school for fashion merchandising. So, like, styling's what I do, as well as blogging, but you guys already knew that part. So, a lot of times my friends will, like, book me, because they're my friends, they'll book me to style them for these events. Breezy and I have a concert. We go to so many concerts. I feel like I'm always talking to you guys about concerts and things that me and Breezy are attending. But anyway, we're going to see Kyle, and it's literally the day after the GHO concert, which is going to be featuring LMA, who I love so much. I cannot wait. Lil Baby, Cardi B, and 2 Chainz. And I think it's someone else, but I can't think of right now. It's a big deal. Gotta pop out. Don't be thinking I'm not getting my work done, because I am. I am a hard worker. That's coming first, best know. But I have a wig here. And I'm going to give you guys an unboxing / I guess review of this wig. When I bought it in like with an outfit in mind that I just recently purchased, that I have already for GHO, that is under wraps and is highly classified at the moment. Pop this open. We're going to get into this. And yeah, if you want to see what this wig looks like, then keep watching and stay through on my battling, because that's what I do best. Also, guys, I got this on Amazon, so use my little Prime student to get that free shipping. So, why do I cough so much? Like, especially when I'm recording. Oh my god. Stop it. People think something wrong with me. The wig I got is a Bobbi Boss, which, if you guys didn't know, I wear wigs. That's literally all I wear. Like, if you ever thought at one point somehow that I had a sewing, you were mistaken. Like, you're wrong. Alright, so the name of this one is the Bobbi Boss Premium Synthetic Wig in the style LYNA Sleek. And I actually have been seeing her surface around YouTube for a while before I finally purchased her, because I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone and wear more colors with my hair. Because, like, the only colors I've ever really worn were bright pink and burgundy, right? For some reason, I've never worn like blonde or brown or something. So I got a blonde wig. It's not a 613 or anything because I wasn't ready for that. Like baby steps, but it is a good mix. It's like a ash blonde type vibe, and it's a bob, and y'all know how I love my bobs. So I don't know how much I paid for this. It didn't include an invoice or anything. Like, it was literally what it came in, so I guess they got my order correct. And I want to say it was like maybe 40 something. It was under 50. I know that for sure. It was under 50. So let me pop her open real quick. So okay, so this is what she looks like on the card. Like, this is the model, and I'm pretty sure I got the same exact color as the model because I just knew it was gonna look good against the melon. So we'll see. But yeah, it's a premium synthetic wig, which we knew. It's a lace front, and it's the NML F217 LYNA Sleek, and it's in the color TT623. And it's supposed to have a silky yaki texture. I haven't felt it yet, so we'll see what that's what the card says. And it's supposed to be a Swiss deep heart lace. Also attached is the card that shows their other wigs in this series, the Yara family. And this one actually is the one I was originally gonna get, but I got kind of scared, I'm not gonna lie. I was like, I'm not ready. I'm gonna see how this one goes first, then I'll get this one. Okay, this is the Vera, and it's basically just the platinum blonde version of this with the side part versus the middle part or whatever. And then they also have Yara Bang, LYNA Long, and LYNA. So I think it's pronounced LYNA. I hope so. Okay, so getting into the actual wig. This is how it comes. A little typical box slip that you typically get wigs in. And it's wrapped in this hairnet. I'm just literally throwing stuff everywhere. Like, oh my, I'm making a mess. In this hairnet and with the stuffing and the styrofoam. So I'm just gonna take that off. So feeling her, I could see how she's somewhat of a yaki texture, but I will say it feels a bit tough though. Like, I mean, it feels, I don't know. I mean, it feels, I guess, yaki. It doesn't feel like tough, but it doesn't feel as soft as I would expect most yaki textures to be. Like, I don't know. But the color is really pretty. Like, look at this ombre. And like, here's the root of it. It's like a dark brown, almost like a 1B at top, and then the blonde highlights at the bottom. Okay, so this is the lace that comes on it. It wraps all the way around the hairline. It's a pretty thick lace, but it's not like the real thick orange like one. It's more of like a nudish. That's the kind of laces I prefer. It's better to nip and cover up, and you won't typically have to wear like a cap with it for the parting. And I don't usually have to fill it in if it's this kind of lace, because my natural hair with the braids would just kind of like, the natural color will seep through, so you'll be able to see it, and it doesn't, I don't have to fill it in. If that makes sense. Kind of like with this one. But I think I will have to pluck it though, but I might not do that till afterwards, because I'm plucking now because I still got homework to do. But yeah, so okay, yeah, she has combs. Cool. I forgot. I didn't even know I was concerned about that because I love my combs. There's 1, 2, 3 combs. There's one in the back and 2 in the front, and then there's the adjustable straps. And looking at it like most synthetic lace fronts, the lace is only this part and the parting. Like, it's not a full lace at all or anything, which is fine. I'm perfectly fine with that. So the parting's not awful. I'm not mad at it, but I know for me personally, I'm gonna have to do some plucking because I just know I will. I'm I'm gonna have to get to plucking, okay? Because, like, I guess from the way it was wrapped up, it's like all over the place right now. It's like wild. Like, I'm trying to, it's going every which way, y'all. Okay, but yeah, the length's really good. I'm just holding it, like, it seems like the cut's fairly nice, but of course I'm gonna try to put it on. Maybe with the lace, maybe without the lace, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this is it so far, and now I'm about to put her on and we'll see what we're working with. So BRB. Okay, y'all. I'm weak because this is what she looks like on with the lace still. Y'all, she is tight. Okay, she is tight because I got a big head, and I'm gonna have to undo these straps when I get ready to really mess with her and show y'all what that looks like. I'm gonna have to cut the lace and this parting, like, look at this. Wow. I might see if I can put on some baby hairs. I'm not getting ahead of myself though. We'll see. The body is really good from what I can see so far. This is a really nice body. As you can see, there's a few tangles, but I'm not really getting too much of shedding. That was like one strand of hair. So I don't think I have to worry too much about shedding with this. Oh, yep, see, just one little, each little pass is like one strand. Yeah, so she's good with shedding, but not big head girl friendly like me. But I mean, y'all, look, you see this cut? But look how it falls. Look, let me go. This a whole headband. Oh my god. Look at that. So this is what she looks like. Just on straight out the box. Lace not cut. Not plucked. No baby hairs. Not nothing. Just her in her true form. No filters. Cut. Phenomenal. Like, as you can see even in the back. I'm about to go handle that, but oh my god, this is gonna be cute. Come on, Silk Press. Mary J status. I kind of actually like the way I look with blonde hair now. So let me get off here looking crazy and like Lord Farquaad and such, and do something to this, and then I'll come back and show you guys what I've done thus far. I'm not gonna like completely style it, but I'm gonna do a little something while I got a little time. See what I come up with, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. So I had to move you guys from where we originally were because it is now dark, because it took me forever to try to do this. I'm exposing myself, the mess in the back. Excuse it, but yeah, to move you guys because it's dark and you wouldn't be able to see over there. So as you see, I've cut the lace. Excuse my appearance. I'll have to do my makeup for sure with this. But yeah, this is just I'm just wearing some old everyday makeup that I had on earlier today. So I did make baby hairs, but the funny thing is, and it's probably my own fault because I barely know how to make my own, but I can't find them. So I ended up having to just lay down my actual baby hairs, like my real hair. And so I cut the lace, and I attempted to try to style it, but there's not much style you can really do with this. Well, not that I like. I mean, this is pretty popping to me. Like, y'all see this cut in this body? Like, do y'all see this body? Listen, when I put my little sunglasses on, and this little fit. Look, not even all that. It's just a little something. But of course I'll show you guys that when the time gets here. But yeah, I mean, I tried like a few other things, just like a simple little like tuck or something, you know. But I like a whole auntie. Like, this isn't exactly, I mean, this isn't good, but who Whose auntie is this? Auntie's holiday wig. Looking like I brought potato salad. With this turtleneck. So yeah, that's just one. I like do it on this side as well. Kind of don't like it like that. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess it could grow on me with the right outfit. Like I said, like an auntie right now, so half tuck, half out type situation that I do a lot with my other units, or like a just full on, get this together, a full on behind the ear tuck. A full on behind the ear tuck is an option too, you know. I just don't know how I feel about that because of how bumped the ends are. Like, it looks a little corny to me to do this. But then again, like I said, I have to keep playing with it. Something will grow on me. I didn't have too much shedding. Most of the shedding that I had was a result of me cutting in it, like cutting the lace and attempting to do those baby hairs. So it's pretty good with shedding. Nothing came out in the comb just now with me combing it, and I'm pretty rough-handed. If you haven't noticed, I'm pretty rough, so yeah, nothing. So yeah, this is a dope unit. Like, look at this. Oh. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Just wait. Feel like I'm about to go pick my kids up. Come on. A scholar. And I bet a bunch of y'all didn't even know that I wore glasses. These are my actual glasses. Yeah. My vision is not the best. And I've now exposed myself. I'm like a baddie librarian. Nonfiction is in rogue. I'm feeling this, especially when it does this little thing where it comes all up in my face. Listen. Mysterious AF. I'm having too much fun with this. Is this not a look though? Like, whose traveling auntie am I now? Like, I look, I bring the good Christmas presents. I'll switch up the flow here. Okay. Should I blog about the different ways to wear beret? I really do like this hair color on me, and I didn't think I would. Like, come on. It don't matter if you're dark, it don't matter if you're light. If you want to try colors, do it. Because something like this looks really good against the melanin. Like, wow. Oh my god. This is crazy. Bobbi Boss, you done it again. Like you always seem to do, but you really done it this time. Wow. I can't get over this cut. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention to y'all that I didn't really pluck the parting. Like I did a little, but not a lot. In case anyone was wondering. This lighting is off. Okay, there we go. In case anyone was wondering, I didn't really pluck it like that. But yeah. This is the wig. This is my views on it, how I feel about it, my review, I guess you could say. Do I think it was worth $40-something? Absolutely, because I have other human bobs, not the one that I just took off, because that one's amazing. Like, shout out to my girl Camille, she did that. But I have like human wigs in there that are bobs that I spent like $80 to $90 on in the cut. It's nothing like this. This to be synthetic. And after messing with it and touching on it, I definitely can feel the yucky texture. Like, it's a lot softer than the way it felt when it like came directly first out of the box. But y'all, I can't stop. Seriously, this is a really good unit. I recommend. Thank you guys for watching. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share, and if you're not, Lord, I got beret link coming on my shirt, subscribed. Do that. I love having fun with you guys, so if you want to see more of this face, you should just subscribe. Just anyway, that was the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.